Hi, best record. I will expose street. Let's start about your experience. Identification card. My name is Iván David Cantillo. Group number English B1 75. Step 12. Pronunciation activity. Talking about my tourist destination. Choose and list 5 questions and answer things here. 1. What the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? Is okay. The most visited place in my city is Guatapuri River, where people go to enjoy the fresh and crystalline waters. People also visit the Alfonso Lopez Park, which is the colonial part of the city of Valledupar. 12. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? I remembered it when it went to the city of Madrid, Cundinamarca. We climbed and wheeled with a group of friends and walked reaching the top. You could see the entire city of Bogota and its surroundings. We also camped and had lunch there. 3. What are the best things that have happened to you on trip? Mention 12. Okay. 12 of the best things that have happened to me on trip was see and was able to make a family of friends in city of Madrid, Cundinamarca. Another interesting thing that happened to me was that in work and in coffee company where I had the opportunity to expand my knowledge in the industrial environment and its process. 4. What are the worst things that have happened to you on trip? Mention 2. 2 on the worst things that happened to me was that I lost my suitcase and some money instead I wanted for my stay. 5. Why please have you miss visiting on your trip? I miss going to the Montserrat Hill. It is one of my favorite places. Thank you.